Hello everybody, welcome back to Bug and Weed Mart's Tip of the Month. My name is Joe. I'm going to talk about one of my least favorite subjects, flies. Oh, one of your least favorite subjects too, I bet. So fly control is really coming down to what's attracting them to you, right? To your place, to your backyard. And a lot of times it's things that you can do close by your house. But even more often, it's things that you can do on the perimeter of your backyard to keep those flies from coming onto your property. So I'm going to show you a couple disposable or reusable fly traps. This one's disposable, real easy. You hang it, you pop the top open, fill it with water. There's a little attractant packet in there. Once that water is added to the attractant, it stinks a little bit. You want it at least 30 feet from any back door so you don't smell it. But basically what you do with any of these traps, again, is remove the top. They're going to have this little attractant. It's a biodegradable, non-chemical, stinky thing of all kinds of origin that we don't want to know, right? But you combine it with water in this trap, flies will come to it instead of making it to your backyard. So, back door, I should say. So you hang this one as well. This one runs you about $7.50. Both of these are $6, $7, I'd say. You can refill that attractant every 30 days. That runs you about $4.50. And that same attractant can be used for the bigger version, and this runs you about $9. And again, these two are reusable, which is kind of nice if you don't mind rinsing out the stinky. But if you don't want to do that, just buy these and throw them away every month. The other way to control flies, and especially when they're close to your house, we're going to give you a live shot of in a few moments. But what we're going to do is we're going to take our pump sprayer, and we're going to take this powdery stuff called fly spot. Just looks like, who knows, right? This little powder. We're going to combine that with water in our sprayer, and we're going to put it in places that if the fly lands, he dies. So stay with us. That's coming next.
All right, flies. Now you've met your match. This is amazing stuff. What I have in here is a combination of only 8 ounces of water and 1/2 packet of MaxxForce fly spot bait. And what this is going to do, wherever I spray it, if a fly is around, he's going to be drawn to it. We're not going to draw extra flies because of this stuff. But if a fly is in the area, instead of him going for your salsa, now he's going to go for this spot. So watch where I can apply this. One spot there. One spot there. Let's do a spot here. One here. Where's that fly going to land? I don't know. But guess what? If it's around here, we don't see this product. It doesn't smell. It doesn't stain. I'm going to spray the underside of this patio furniture and this column. Heck, I'm going to spray this wall. And this won't even hurt the dog. That's the nice thing. Once this is dry, won't hurt anybody. But for 30 to 60 days in the summertime, flies are not going to like this. I'm going to apply it over here too. I'm going to put it on the underside of this patio furniture. In fact, yeah, I don't want flies around me when I'm sitting here. If they're around me, they're going to find this stuff. No one's going to know it's there. And when we see flies return in 60, 90 days, time to reapply. This is Fly Spot. Great stuff. Come on in and get some.